Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you a quick trade that I took with my 19 250K Apex accounts. I just passed them last week, and today was the first day I traded all 19 at once with a copy trader on Tradeovate. So when I woke up, I wanted to see which side will it take liquidity out first. Will it be the London high or the London low? So as you look here, this is a 930 candle. As soon as it opened, it went higher, took out the short-term high. This is also a fair value gap in here, turned around and took out the London low. Now, once it did that, it continued lower, turned around and closed at a higher price. That does not mean that you quickly enter a long trade because it showed a wick and it closes a bullish candle. You don't want to do that. You want to see more conviction that the price is indeed going to go higher and it's not going to be a trend day lower, right? All the way down. Who knows where it can go. So once this happened, I just kept waiting. And then I saw these two bearish candles. Now, I was watching when it was at this point, and I was going to see if it was going to, this candle is going to close before the fair value gap is formed. Or sorry, it's going to close over around here and maybe form a fair value gap. And by that, I could have taken a short and watched for this liquidity over here being taken out. But when it didn't offer me that and it closed above here and went higher, that's when, just from my experience and my experience of like the last 7 years of trading on my personal account, I've seen that many times the fair value gap over here does not get filled and the price just continues going higher to the opposing side of liquidity. In this case, it did get filled, but if you look at your charts, if you back test it many times, it's a breakaway gap and it continues to go higher. So from my own experience, I just, when this closed over here, I basically entered a buy limit around here with a 30-point stop loss. That usually my stop loss is around 30 points, and this fit perfectly with the bottom of this wick. And I was not expecting price to go down here. And what I was aiming for was this short-term high, right? Once this short-term high gets taken out, I took my profit, base hit, and I was done for the day. And this was 30 points, but I believe I got out around 28, 29 points. And I finished the day with about $570 per account, which is about almost $11,000, right, in USD. Now, if I was trading a personal account and I was being more technical with Apex, if I didn't have all these rules to deal with and I wasn't aiming for base hits, then what you can do is you can see the fair value gap is left over here. You can basically take a Fibonacci. You want to see price come to a discount before it goes higher, right? So you want to take it from the bottom of that candle, sorry, this candle, and the high over here. You got the OTE. As you can see, the OTE fits perfectly with aligned perfectly with the 5-minute fair value gap. You can either take the entry at the bottom, the top of the fair value gap, or the midpoint or the bottom. It all depends on you based on how big your stop loss you want it to be. So for example, we can take it from the top of the fair value gap with the stop loss being below this bullish candle. When you do that and you're aiming for the London high, for example, that's a 2-hour trade, right? And along the way, depending on how many contracts you're trading, or if you're trading, what's the other thing, micros, you can take profit on this high, you can take it on this buy side over here, or you can just wait for the entire London move or the London high being taken out. And as you can see, if you leave a runner, this is potentially what can happen, right? Where price just continues to go higher, another, what is that, 750 to, we're looking at 250 points, right? That's pretty unbelievable. Obviously, no one actually knows what the top will be. And me personally, I can't even hold for a runner this long because of the Apex rules. I have to first get my first payout and, wait 3 months and all that. But if you are trading a personal account, you can possibly take 75% off here and leave a runner for the rest of the day and just see where price goes. And yeah, so if you want to follow my YouTube or my Twitter, I'm going to be updating all my trades every single day, and whether it's my wins or my losses. And I want to try to show everyone if I can reach a payout in the next few weeks or next month, and we'll see how that goes. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this, and see you guys later.